for is you are looking for how price behaves in this area. So you want to see the rejections from this area. You want to see the rejections of this area. So overall, what you need to understand is price action will behave in a certain way over here. Notice how we're above the 10 a.m. Eastern, right? This is important to understand. Now, we know that we're above the 10 a.m. Eastern, so we know where to trade from. We have our blue zone, our fair value gap. Now we need to know what to look for. Now, what are you looking for? This is the question that stumps everyone every time I ask them, right? This is the ATAS platform. I get lots of questions in the short form content. Let's just go over this right now. This is the ATAS platform. I use it to trade every single day. You can execute trades from it. It is the most accurate platform you can use when it comes to actually trading properly. Let me give you my settings of the ATAS platform. Now we go to cluster settings, and on the cluster settings you have access to the bid and the ask, right? Aggressive sellers versus aggressive buyers. You also have the delta. Now the delta is the difference between the ask and the bid, right? And the delta is probably the one thing that is holding you back from trading ICT concepts or just any concepts properly, right? So once you have the delta in place, your job is to simply mark out the fair value gap, right? So the fair value gap is exactly the same as what you saw in the charts earlier. So the question is, why did we get the rejection off here? Why did the market actually reject, right? Why was this fair value gap valid? So we're above the 10 a.m. Eastern. We've taken out previous day high. So we know we know where we're looking for trades. We know what we're looking for. Now we need to understand, why did the market go down and why are you looking to sell, right? So the reason we're looking to sell, if we just zoom into these candles, what you need to understand first